I've been on top for a while. Now it's I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the buddy.
Okay, so I know that I'm looking crusty as fuck right now, but I'm on my way to a hair appointment. She comes highly recommended. She comes in highly recommended, so yeah, I'm on my way. I'm pretty late. I'm waiting for my mom. Just opening the gate for her, and I need to rush over there, and I'm gonna show you, the process. Like, you know, it's natural hair, it's really dirty, so I'm gonna get wash, treatment, and probably like a blowout. So hair is done, looking great. Now I'm at the bottle store. I need to fill up our bar at home because Mother's Day happened and my mom had a really, big party. All the drinks are done, so I'm gonna do that, buy some wine, ciders, etc., and then pick up my brother from school. And I think that'll be all for the day, but I'm gonna let you guys know or fill you guys in as the hours go by. I have these two slushies. I did not think this through. I need to go pick up my brother from school now. Also, why do the people at the bottle store know my mom so well? They were like, wait, is your mom so-and-so? Because she always buys that wine and the ciders, like the gin and dry lemon ciders I've been showing on my social media. And I'm like, yeah, that's her. They're like, oh, are you her daughter? I'm like, yeah. So that should say a lot about our family. Oh, this is nice. This is like blueberry. I really hope this boy comes like now. Not him taking his sweet time. There he is. He was busy walking with his friend and everything. He's gonna be so mad that I'm filming him. Do you like the slushie? Do you like it? Say hi to my vlog. This is going on my vlog, you know that, right? Okay. Good morning vlog. I am with my mother today because we are running errands for the kitchen. I haven't shown you guys the progress of the house. We're redoing the kitchen, the garage, and the outdoor entertainment area. She's to blame because I look like this. She rushed me out of the house. My hair, I couldn't even get my hair done, makeup, everything. So she is to blame.
I am shocked.
So anyway, yeah, we've already went to, what's that place called? Union Tiles, to try and get the kitchen countertop. So I'll show you that in a minute. And now we're gonna we looked at more kitchen appliances like the basins, stuff like that. And now we're gonna look at stoves. So what are we looking at?
We're going to look at stoves, yeah.
Yeah, some stoves and stuff like that.
And oven,
dishwashers.
We're looking for Atlantic or something there. So
let me just show you guys where we are.
the fire is here.
So this might be the stone for the kitchen countertop. The one behind. The one we wanted will take a month. Mommy and I cannot wait a month for this kitchen to be finished. So don't hurt yourself, the guy's coming.
Maybe we should just plaster.
This one's a slightly deeper than that one, but because they're deeper, they're a little bit more expensive. They're about 3,218.
And this one is.
And then this one,
No,
and then I have this one. That's just similar to that one. It's just not as deep.
Okay, so we found the store closed for lunch. We have to go back, or maybe she's gonna go back by herself.
no.
Because I haven't had breakfast or anything, and I'm already starting to feel cranky and tired, and she doesn't like me when I'm like that.
You can be agitated.
We are on our way to pick up her new glasses.
His name.
Oh, there's a dog. Oh my gosh.
And it's pregnant and it's cute.
So pick up her glasses, and then we're gonna pick up Junior from school, go home, have lunch, I guess, and then she's gonna go do the rest of the stuff by herself.
In your dream.
So yeah. Look at her looking so cute with her new glasses and her new hair. She got it done this morning. All right, bye. So I'm in a underground parking lot waiting for my dad because he has a meeting and I'm supposed to pick him up. I was gonna get a shot or like a cocktail at this restaurant nearby, but there's no parking near. I was forced to park here and I don't know how to get out, so I'm literally just fooling around, taking videos and such here. Hopefully my dad comes out fast because I don't want to pay for this ticket anyway. I don't think I have any like loose change on me for the ticket to begin with, so yeah. And I'm tired. I'm fucking tired. I haven't had my nap. I did have lunch. Went on somewhere into the mall, and yeah, I don't know. I definitely need a drink, a glass of wine or so. Yeah, but that's the thing about it for the day. I don't know if I'm sick, if I'm meeting up with any friends. Everyone is quite busy, has a big busy schedule, so it might just be me, myself, and I. But I'm going on a mother-daughter trip tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, I'll take you guys along on that one. So this is the kitchen. I'm not sure if I can step on these bricks, on the tiles I mean. But kitchen, that way, pool side, scullery. Let me see if I can get through. Okay, so this flowers are gonna go all around there. This is where the braai setup's gonna be, like more flowers. That's the pool pump. More flowers, and that's my dad. The pool, obviously it was also installed recently, but we haven't used it because everything that's going on around it. We will have artificial grass all around where there's sand, so it will look pretty. And then we have just this, what is this called? Patio. And then obviously this is where you walk into the kitchen. We have the scullery, dishwasher. All these nice things will be in here. Hello. And then we have the garage, it's just full of stuff still. Okay, so that's the progress report. No lights, no paint yet. There will be like an island over here. Obviously the cupboards and stuff, the fridge, everything will be all around. Let me do this. Okay, from here, island, cupboards, fridge, mirrors, cupboards, blah blah blah, storage. I can't wait. And I can't wait to use the pool hopefully before I leave. So this is when the vlog gets a little foggy because I got really sick and I was in bed rest for a really long time. So everything you see from this point forward is me post being sick. So I'm getting my lashes done. I'm very excited for that. I've been sick, slowly getting better. So yeah, that's why the vlog has been, you know, late. This is why it's late, because I've been sick, but I'm recovering. This is the outfit. This is the before, guys. First time. Where are you? First time. Oh, you see, you guys need to get siblings that are into, you know, the cosmetic industry.
So you can get stuff for free?
Because I'm getting my lashes done for free. Oh, she does makeup too. You guys probably already know her. Those that stay in maybe at Envy Beauty, right?
Yeah.
On IG. So yeah.
My eyebrows are disturbing me.
So she was saying that she wants to shape my brows as well. I don't think they look that bad.
Yeah.
I really don't. But I don't remember last time I shaped them for real, so do as you wish.
When you get things done for free, you don't have a choice.
Literally do anything.
Can I cut your hair off?
Like, okay.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside.
I've been gone a whole month, and this is supposed to be like a 2-week trip, and it turned into a month. Supposed to be at the wedding for 1 week, next week here, and then go back. Yeah. Oh man.
Reality sucks. It didn't turn out the way you planned it. Which is how life is.
Yeah, like I'm not mad at it because you make your plans and life will literally just fuck it up for you. Oh, they look cute. They look good. Okay, so now time for the lashes. Okay guys, so I just got my lashes done and I am in love. I feel like a person again. I'm running late, I have to leave, but if you guys want to get your lashes done, it's $300 Namibian dollars. I will tag her so you guys can go support my sister. Okay guys, so starting this vlog very late. My voice is trying to embarrass me. I'm still very sick, but I'm supposed to run some errands with my mom. She wants to replace all the curtains in the house into blinds. I don't know why. Like the only rooms that will have curtains will be the bedrooms, but the bar, sitting room, the sitting rooms, and the kitchen, she wants blinds. So we need to go check out some stores, get some quotations. Get some quotations for that. But she's taking really long. She's been sending some emails in the office and she's taking forever. I do have plans. I'm supposed to be going to an event tonight. I know I'm still sick. It gets really cold at night. I'm very, very nervous about the whole situation. But my cousin is DJing and I want to show some love, so I really want to go see him do his thing, so that's why I'm going. So you guys will probably see that. You'll see my outfit. I hope I can find an outfit that's gonna keep me warm but still look, you know, cute. So yeah, that's all for now. Let me go talk to my mom and figure out what's going on because we gotta go. Mom, are we still going or no?
I've been ready since.
How have you been ready since? I've been waiting for you.
I've been on call with your friends. I could hear.
Because I've been waiting for you since he's outside. Shouldn't I say hi to the vlog?
Hi guys, how are you? Who are those?
Like, yeah, my internet friends. Okay, so we're going now. We have like, I think 2 or 3 stores to go check out, and then hopefully that's it. Like, I hope she doesn't have anything else that she wants to do because time is not on my side. Isn't this what he wanted? Yeah. Mixed nuts. Okay, so just a quick stop at this skin. I need to go home, get ready. I'm tired.
I'm getting mommy some. What do you want? Maybe your energy water.
Where is that? What? What's mom?
Doesn't contain any ammonia, no originated reaction.
Yeah.
That's why you see I'm also using my base to clean your shoes. So for what you do, sister, we give you a free try first on one side, darling.
Okay.
You see first how the product is working. But then if you like the result, then you consider getting yourself again. I also finish off the other side for you, so you don't walk around with one foot cleaning, the other one is dead. So today we got a special promotional giveaway. Normally we sell 1 can each for $370, but don't worry. Today you can get one for $200.
Okay.
And if you add 100 on top of that, I'll give you 2 cans for $300.
2 cans.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, as I was walking to the bathroom, this guy stops me and he's like selling some product that cleans shoes. He sells shoes and stuff. No, like he stopped me. Like I was actually like, okay, I need to go. She's mad. No, like I was actually like, okay, I need to go. He's like, no, it's gonna be quick. So he cleaned one of my sneakers, and he's like, okay, like if you want this product, blah blah blah. I'm like, listen, I don't have money. He's like, okay, if you have 50, I'll clean the other shoe. And I'm like, okay, but I need to go now. Like I really need to go. He's like, no, it's not gonna be long. Fast forward, both my shoes are clean. Thank you. Mom is upset, but you know, I really could not get out of that situation. He was really just holding me. She's mad.
I am mad.
Anyway,
I missed to pick up the car.
picking up my car, right?
Finally. Good deal, how are you?
Okay, so guys, we came to pick up my car that I have not driven since I got here, since I got home, because it needed some repairs. Oh shit, I have your phone. I have your phone. So anyway, I'm about to drive her home. Yeah, anyway, I think I'll follow you. But I think I know how to get out of here. Like that way. But also I think I'm gonna go to Spa and get some money. Get some money. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, so damn. This is my girl, guys. I don't think I've ever named her. She doesn't have a name. I feel so weird. I don't even. How do I even adjust the seat? Okay. So I'm gonna head out. Put my seatbelt on, head out, and then get home, and I gotta get ready for my little event. Okay, so I just want to show you guys an outfit before I leave. I'm really waiting for my friend. She'll be here any minute, but you know, it's really not giving anything. It's giving warmth because it's an outdoor thing, and it gets really cold over there. So bomber jacket, sweater, like regular shirt underneath that, cute pants, some heels, and obviously my favorite bag. So yeah, I'll show you guys when we get there.
Hold it and then you put it away.
Why?
Apparently it looks better.
Okay, so this is me. Two shots in, tequila shots, and a cocktail in. About to get a refill, about to get more shots, but you know, bathroom break. I'm so happy, guys. Like, I haven't been out of the house in a minute. This is like my first outing in 2 weeks, so I'm trying to get lit. looking crusty, dusty, but decided to have a swim in our new pool. So yeah, I need to give you guys an update on the house. The pool is almost done. Just need the artificial grass. Kitchen's almost done too. What else? Oh, we need to paint, obviously, paint all over that. What else? Yeah, we're done. The garage is done. I'm gonna show you guys later on. I just want to talk a little bit about last night. Last night was so fun. I really didn't expect it to be that fun. Got home at like 3 a.m. Parents were not impressed, but I've been in house arrest for so long that I needed that. Right? Right, Ginny?
Huh?
I've been in house arrest for so long. I needed to go out, right?
Because you're sick or what?
Yes.
I don't know.
He doesn't know, but yeah. And I'm not even kidding, like literally, he was underwater. He was tempting me. He wanted me to do an underwater. I caught my hair. Let me take an underwater view. I'm gonna take an underwater of him.